All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. Pretty straightforward. It says solve for x. Boom. Okay, we can handle this. So we have square root of 18x plus 7 is equal to the square root of 14x plus 1. All right, so this question has been made to kind of scare people away because they see the radical signs and, let's freak out. But listen, we can do this. The opposite operation, or the way we cancel a square root, is we just square it. So if I square this side, that will cancel out that square root. And then algebra tells me if you do it to one side, you got to do it to the other. Well, that worked out well because now I can cancel the other one just by following the rules. And just by doing that simple step, we now get just left with this. Boom. Now it's just a nice, straightforward, linear equation, and we can do this. All right? So we're going to move our x terms over here and our constants over there, and then we'll go from there. So to move the 7, well, the opposite of plus 7 is just minus 7. And as always, algebra says do it to both sides. I can handle that, and I just lined it up with my other constant. And then the opposite of 14x is minus 14x. And again, I just make sure I do it to both sides. That's called balancing your equation. Keep them balanced. Okay, now we just move left to right and do some math. 18x minus 14x is just 4x. 7 minus 7 is 0. Goodbye. 14x minus 4x is 0. Goodbye. And negative 1 minus 7 is negative 8. Voila. Now, we just got to keep on doing this idea of opposite operations, right? This says 4 times x. The opposite of multiplying by 4 is dividing by 4. And so 4 divided by 4 is 1, which leaves us just x. Or there is a 1 there, but we don't write it because, look, it's 1x. We don't need to tell everyone there's 1x. You can literally just see the 1x. And that's going to equal, well, what's negative 8 divided by 4? Negative 2. And that is how you do it, okay? As always, subscribe if you want to be notified when I make more wonderful practice problems just for you. And if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, just go ahead and leave those below, and I'll do my best to answer them as quickly as I can. Thank you. Bye.